Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't you see myself? Can't you see myself? Can't you see myself? See myself? Can't you see myself? Can't you see myself? Can't you see myself?
My future baby right there. Oh, oh, Shelby Mustang. Oh. Only thing that I hate about these damn monsters, they made me take a, gotta pee like bad. I took the wrong turn. Oh my gosh. I didn't take the wrong turn. There was a cop blocking the exit so I couldn't take the turn. No, I just gotta really like it's explosive pee. Like, oh my gosh. And I'm at a red light and this red light's taking forever. Come on, man. So I'm gonna get a little gym footage for you right now. I'll see you guys at the gym after I take a piss.
If I'm just a mistake, why do you come back to me? Every step that you take, echoes through me. Don't let me. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let
So, I just got home. Subway. Got some chicken breast, some spinach, cucumbers, tomato, and honey oat bread, if y'all wondering. So I'm gonna enjoy this for a post-workout. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be a two-day vlog. So, I'm about to do some editing right now. And meanwhile, someone came to sit in my lap. Wednesday. She's a cutie. Anyways, just uploading a few pictures. It's gonna be like an animal vlog, so hope you enjoy.